Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Vivo. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type DevCheck and download this free app from this developer. Following that, click on Open. From this app, you can find out all the information about your Vivo's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!